Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to replace photo on Instagram after posting. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So if you want to be able to replace your photo on Instagram after actually posting, well the only thing that we can do as of right now is to go into our profile. Then you're going to select the photo that you want to be able to replace. So let's say this one right here. And then you're going to click on the three dots in the top right corner. And as you can see, you should now be able to actually view this page right here. So if you click on edit right here, you can only edit like the text, tags, alt text and location and stuff like that. But there is no way for us to just replace the photo. So I'm just going to cancel it, click on the three dots once again in the top right corner, and then click on delete. And once again, click on delete. Just going to delete, and then you can just actually post a new one instead. So for example, let's post this one right here and then click on next in the bottom right corner again, then click on share. And if I'm just going to wait until it's going to get posted. Yeah, here it is. So basically, unfortunately, as of right now, this is the only way that we can actually do this. I know that this wasn't really what you're looking for. I totally get that, but there is no way for me to magically make so that you can actually replace your a photo with another one without deleting it. Unfortunately, I wish I could, but there is no way to actually do this. So you have to delete it and then actually add a new one. So this is unfortunately, as of right now, the only way that we can actually do this.